making it smaller. Perfect. Beautiful. There you go. Don't make it so obvious. All right, natural. Yeah, there you go. Don't make it so obvious. Woo. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. Guess what? We are back with another beautiful photo shoot today. Hey, guys, as you know, I do have the new Sigma 200mm f2. Again, this is not rented. This is my lens. So I finally was able to get it out in the photo shoot today, and you guys are going to see how we get this bad boy with some amazing shots. So you know I got a setup for you today, right? So I have my beautiful model Diamond here today, man, and I have a brand new location. Again, I've never shot here before, so I'm going to show you how I work this new location, man. And I want you guys to really enjoy these shots because I think they are just going to be stunning. And then after we get some shots with the 200, then we're going to go to the 85 and the 35 that I also brought out today. So make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, man, because I think this shoot is about to be incredible, man. Make sure you guys are subscribed because you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss it at all. Boom. Got him. So we are about to shoot with the 200 f2. Got the A7R5. I'm gonna record a little bit of behind the scenes, showing you exactly what my camera sees and how it's focusing on her. So you'll be able to get some good footage of that too. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. And get down a little bit. All right, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Oh, gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. Good, I like that. Look down at the ground like you just was. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Fire. Hold on a second. What's this? Good, beautiful. I love that. Head up, look right in the light. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so dope. All right, turn down towards me, straight on. Or actually, yeah, or you can, yeah, step out. Yep. Good, good. Because I want the leg, was that your left leg? Yeah, okay, you're good. I want it to come out more because to get away from the split. If you can step out a little bit. Yeah. There you go, perfect. Now, pop your head to this way, but we're gonna do the pose towards the light. Yep, we good now. All right, here we go. Perfect, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful, you got exaggerated a little bit more, all right? Yes, there you go, ready? Don't lose your leg though, keep that leg out. That's what's giving you that stance, okay? Yeah, there you go. There it is, beautiful. All right, keep that, I like it. Good, 3, 2, 1. Oof, what? Gorgeous, I'll take it, just like that. Perfect, stay, and the wind is blowing too. I'm gonna get 2 shots, stay, this the first one, 3, 2, 1. Just move your eyes up to the light. Just move your eyes. Put your chin back on your shoulder there. Yep. Bring your eyes to the light. Perfect. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. I'm gonna move back. Hold on. Stay right there. Full body. There you go. Ready, and 3, 2, 1. Eyes to the light. Perfect. Oh, wow. Gorge. All right. I'm gonna do some 3/4 shots now. Beautiful. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Lovely. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Look right out where the trees and stuff is at. You ain't gotta move your body, just move your head. Turn around. Yep. I want this leg out. Yep. Oh, 3/4. Oh, look at that. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hold on 1 second. Boom. Oh, all right, full body. Well, 3/4, 3/4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I love that shot. Do that one more time. I want to try to get that leg out there just a little bit more. Perfect. Yep. Skin. Perfect. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take 2 shots. Don't move. 3, 2, 1. Here's the first one. Cool. Right here. Perfect. Ready, and 3. I'm gonna have to take 2 shots. Here was first one. 3, 2, 1. Good. Second one. Ready, and 3, 2, 1. I got it. Fire. All right. So these last ones you can turn around now. Oh, too close. See, I can't focus right here. I can focus right here. So this is about 6 feet. So I have to be at least 6 feet away from her for this to focus on her. All right. So some nice headshots right here. I'm gonna take some headshots with the 200. See what these headshots look like. All right. One. Gorge. Going. Okay. All right. Here we go. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Good. Well, good. I love that. 3, 2, 1. Good. Turn around. Do it from this side because I want to keep your face in the light. Yep. Now turn. Yep. Turn your torso towards. Yes. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Coming back. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. Oh, that was gorgeous. That was bad. There we go. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes. Oh, that was bad. There we go. There we go. Awesome. All right, so for these, I'm gonna have you lean right here. You can put your foot right there. Yeah, that's the way it looked like she was looking like. All right, ready? Boom, lovely. 3, 2, 1. Love that. So from right here, where's the split at? This side, right? Other side? Okay, that's fine. Yes. Keep your eyes down like that. Keep 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Eyes back up to me now. Good. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, look at that depth of field, man. 3, 2, 1. Good. One more. This leg right here on the pillar. Yep. Yeah, split it, girl. Split it. Yes. Split it. Show the diamonds. Yes, I won't fear. I want edgy, fierce. There we go. Perfect. Here we go. Yes. Here we go. Ready, and 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Yes. Head down to the ground like you just were. Yes. Just like that. 3, 2, 1. Well, one more. I gotta come back just a tad. There we go. Beautiful. Down to the ground. Third. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now up in the light. Straight. Bring your arm up some more. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Because you was hunching over, and I want to get your torso on your body. Yep. There you go. Now put your head back in the light. Take your head and just look right at the wall. Right at the wall. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed those first set of some more shots, and then I'm gonna switch to the 35 to get some more environmental friendly shots, and then we're gonna call it a day, all right? I hope you guys enjoying this, because I am loving this lens right now. I'm so happy. Good, all right, so I'm gonna move back. So right now I'm kind of cutting off your hands and everything, so I'm gonna just move back a little bit until I get some full body shot. So right here allows me to get full body shot with her sitting down, all right? If she was standing up, I will have to move just an inch back, but right now, where I am right now, this gives me full body, all right? Here we go, ready? Ready, good, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, look at that. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. I love that. Bring that hand in just a little bit. Yep, perfect. Good, right there. Gorgeous. Now stay right there. 3, 2, 1. Turn your head towards the light. Yep, perfect. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Beauty. That hand right there, put it across your lap. Yep, yes, there you go. Beautiful. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wow. All right, ready? Here we go. All right. Gorge, gorge, gorge. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. I love that. 3, 2, 1. Beauty. Gorge. I like that, like that, like that. Up here at me. Good. 3, 2, 1. Going full body shot. See where I gotta be at again. Jesus. All right. Yep, this is perfect. All right. Oh, shit. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Gorge. Good. Yes, yes, yes. 3. Have it. All right, turn. Yep. Yes. Good, 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 good. Over. Beautiful. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna get closer for these. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. Ooh, shoot. 3, 2, 1. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep. You away from the light. Can't see your face. Yep, beautiful. Yep. Good, you got it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dope. Last one. 3, 2. I gotta sit on the stairs for a damn BT. Good to go. What? Shoot you from this angle, so go to that corner. Yep, perfect. Oh, much better. All right, so I don't know if you can see me, but the reason I did have her, well, you just saw me kind of shooting this way. The reason why I changed the positions is because, of course, the blown out sky and blown out highlights and stuff like that. I don't like dealing with that stuff, so if I see it, then I'll immediately change it. The same with you guys. If you see something that you really don't like, you don't like the composition or something like that, it's so much easier to change it and get a new composition than to deal with it in post and just throw away a bunch of shots. See, I moved her over here. See, now I got background, I got all kind of things right now, so we get to go. Look straight past me, look at the building. Perfect, right there. You gotta give me, no, you look mean. You, come on, keep it going. There you go, 3. Come on now. Work, ready, and go. Beautiful, 3, 2, 1. Oh, what? Oh, I love that. Play the hair, gorgeous. Beautiful, chin up, bam. Work. Yes, indeed. 3, 2, 1. Chin down, bring that chin down a little bit, right there. Keep your eyes over, right there, stop, 3, 2, 1. Wow, perfect. Beautiful, here we go. Gorge, 3, 2, 1.
Why is that so far?
I don't know. We got a few more. I like that. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Perfect, all right. Let me see here. I'm gonna cut off that arm. You gotta bring it down. Yep. You can put it down on the put it down on the bench, push it away. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1.
That's fire.
Yeah, exactly. Say I see. All right, let's do a few more. Then we're gonna be good. Let's rack them up. 3. Now I'm gonna just let you flow. All right. So whatever you bring, that's what I'm gonna shoot. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Work. Good. Good. 3, 2, 1. Work. Love that. 3. Oh, hold it, hold it. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Keep that in the light. Look in the light. Good. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Good. Look over at the building. I like that pose. Bring that elbow down though. Ooh, I love that. Look at the building. Nope, this one. Perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Love that. 3, 2, 1. Got it. All right. We good. Perfect. We out. That was fire, man. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using the DJI Mic 3. See, I don't normally use this. I always use a lapel mic. I'm a big lapel person. But you know one thing I've noticed about the DJI Mic 3, just for you guys real quick, I'm normally always the Rode Wireless Pro, right? But I like using the lapel mic. Of course, the new DJI Mic 3 it doesn't have. And this is gonna be the first time I'm listening to the audio of this because I haven't used it in the photo shoot, right? But let me tell you the biggest differences because nobody really says this. With this, I just put the magnet on, bam, go, right? With the DJI Mic Pro, I gotta get it, screw it, throw it in my pocket, run the wire, connect it. It's just boom and get go. You know, right? So it's a little bit easier. You know, it's a little bit more steps. I'm not really big with everybody having these big old mics and dead cats and stuff right here on their chest. I think it just takes away. But this is gonna be my first time using it, so we'll see what it looks like. But anyway, yo, I want to thank you guys for checking out this amazing video with the beautiful model Diamond, man. We had an amazing time, dude. She killed it like always. Happy birthday, belated birthday, all these birthdays. Diamond's birthday, man. So make sure y'all shout her out in the video. Tell her happy birthday, man. Tell her what an amazing job she did. And yeah, we had an amazing time, man. The 200mm f2 from Sigma. Listen, Sigma, y'all absolutely killed it. And we'll see you in our next video. Period. We out. Peace. We out.